Okay, so the rules that are in this box or surrounded by this rectangle inside here. First of all, let's find an easy way to remember these rules. If you look at the top line, a plus and a plus makes a plus. Of course, we know that from everything we've been doing since kindergarten, okay? But the next one down is new to a lot of students. The fact that a minus and a minus makes a plus, okay? An easy way to remember the first two is that when the signs are the same, you get a plus. When the signs are the same, you get a plus, okay? So if you just remember that, the fact that when you have the same sign, you end up with a plus. And if you look at the third one, when the signs are different, you end up with a negative. I think that's the easiest way of remembering them. Okay. So the question is, when do you use these rules? Well, there's three situations where these rules are used. Okay. The first situation is when the signs are next to each other. Okay. When the signs are next to each other. And they're the questions that I've got here. So I'm going to show you now. You can see what I'm talking about, where the signs are next to each other. Where the signs are next to each other. Where the signs are next to each other. The signs are next to each other, and the signs are next to each other. So in these situations, we're going to apply these rules over here. The other situations, which I will not be talking about in this video, is when you're multiplying and you're dividing. That's to come later on. So let's have a look at what we're talking about here. You see in question 1 how you've got a plus and a minus next to each other. Well, have a look here. When the signs are different, you replace the 2 with a minus. So instead of being 2 plus minus 1, it's now going to become 2 minus 1. Now from here, you just apply the answer as you normally would. 2 take away 1 is 1, and you're finished. Okay? Just because you're replacing these two with a minus, it's got nothing to do with the final answer. Okay, your final answer, you do it as you normally would. The next question, 3 minus minus 2. Well, obviously the two minuses, because the signs are the same, they get replaced with a plus. 3 plus 2. And now 3 plus 2 is 5. Question 3, 4 plus minus 5. The signs are different, so they get replaced with a minus. And now 4 take away 5 is minus 1. Question 4. Minus 4 minus minus 2. We're going to replace these two with a plus. So now we're going to have minus 4 plus 2. Okay. And now what's minus 4 plus 2? Well, you know from your number line that minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Okay. The next one, 20 minus plus 3. Well, the plus and the minus, remember when the signs are different, you replace that with a minus because of this. So it becomes 20, take away 3, which is equal to 17. Okay, so it's not complex if you just concentrate and focus and you apply the rules simply. So that is how you apply the questions when you have these rules, okay? We are going to come back and talk about multiplying and dividing later, but I've just focused on this for this video. Thank you very much and see you soon.